Hey guys, Reece Salmons here, Head of Property Management with Sydney Listings. Well, right behind me here we have 14 to 16 Lords Avenue, and what a special apartment block this is. The developer has spared no expense when it comes to the inclusions that are in these apartments. We have beautiful Caesar stone bench tops, ducted air conditioning, built-in wardrobes, beautiful balconies with lovely district views, underground car parking, lift access, the list goes on and on. Now, if that's not enough, we also have Asquith Station, which is just 600 metres down the road. Supermarkets are close by within just a short walk, and there's also Asquith Oval, just a short walk down the street, which would be a lovely location to spend your Saturday afternoon picnicking with friends and family. If you'd like to have a look through one of these apartments, please get in touch with us, as we have many options available, including 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms and 1 bedrooms. So please get in touch with us, we'd be happy to help.